10 Best Foods for Healthy Eyes. Maintaining healthy eyes is essential for overall well-being, and a balanced diet plays a crucial role in supporting vision health. Certain foods are packed with nutrients like vitamins A, C, E, omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, and antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect your eyes from age-related issues like macular degeneration and cataracts, while improving visual function. Here are the 10 best foods to include in your diet for optimal eye health. 1. Carrots. Carrots are renowned for their high beta-carotene content, a type of vitamin A that supports good vision, especially in low-light conditions. Beta-carotene also acts as an antioxidant, protecting the eyes from oxidative stress that can lead to conditions like cataracts. Add carrots to your salads, soups, or enjoy them as a crunchy snack with hummus for a vision-boosting treat. A 100-gram serving of carrots provides about 8,285 micrograms of beta-carotene, contributing significantly to your daily vitamin A needs. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, collards. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that protect the retina from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. These nutrients, which the body cannot produce, must come from your diet. Incorporate these greens into smoothies, salads, or sautéed dishes for a nutrient-packed meal. For example, a 100-gram serving of kale contains approximately 6,260 micrograms of lutein and zeaxanthin, making it a superfood for your eyes. 3. Fatty fish, salmon, tuna, mackerel. Fatty fish are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for retinal health and may help prevent dry eyes and cataracts. Omega-3s also reduce inflammation in the body, supporting overall eye health. Aim to include fish like salmon, tuna, or mackerel in your diet at least twice a week for maximum benefits. Opt for wild-caught salmon over farm-raised for higher omega-3 content and less saturated fat. Grill or bake with fresh herbs and lemon for a delicious eye-healthy meal. 4. Eggs. Egg yolks are a powerhouse of nutrients like lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, which contribute to reducing the risk of macular degeneration and maintaining sharp vision. Zinc also supports the health of the retina and aids night vision. Eggs are versatile and can be enjoyed boiled, scrambled, or as part of a healthy breakfast omelet with veggies to boost your eye health. One large egg yolk provides about 252 micrograms of lutein and zeaxanthin, making it an easy addition to your diet. 5. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which helps combat free radicals that can damage eye tissues. They also improve blood circulation to the eyes, supporting overall vision health. A 100-gram serving of strawberries provides about 58 milligrams of vitamin C, nearly meeting the daily requirement for adults. Add a handful of blueberries, strawberries, or blackberries to your yogurt, cereal, or smoothies for a delicious, eye-friendly boost. 6. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds and walnuts, are rich in vitamin E, which protects eye cells from oxidative damage and may slow the progression of cataracts. Chia seeds also provide omega-3s for added eye support. A 100-gram serving of almonds contains about 19 milligrams of vitamin E, exceeding the daily recommendation of 15 milligrams for adults. Sprinkle nuts and seeds on salads, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack for a quick nutrient dose. Just keep portions to 1 to 2 handfuls due to their calorie density. 7. Sweet potatoes. Like carrots, sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which supports healthy vision and protects against oxidative stress. They're also a great source of vitamin C and fiber, making them a wholesome addition to your diet. A medium sweet potato, about 130 grams, provides over 100% of the daily vitamin A requirement. Roast, mash, or bake sweet potatoes with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a tasty and eye-healthy side dish. 8. Oranges. Oranges and other citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, a key nutrient for maintaining healthy blood vessels in the eyes and combating cataract development. Vitamin C also works synergistically with other antioxidants to reduce the risk of AMD. A single medium orange provides about 70 milligrams of vitamin C, making it an easy way to meet your daily needs. Enjoy oranges as a snack, in fruit salads, or as fresh juice, without added sugar, for a refreshing eye health boost. 9. Dairy milk yogurt. Dairy products like milk and yogurt from grass-fed cows are excellent sources of vitamin A and zinc, both critical for eye health. Vitamin A protects the cornea, while zinc helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the eyes and supports retinal health. A cup of plain yogurt provides about 0.6 milligrams of zinc, contributing to the daily recommendation of 8 to 11 milligrams for adults. Incorporate dairy into your breakfast with yogurt parfaits, or enjoy a glass of milk with meals for added benefits. 10. Bell peppers, red yellow. Bell peppers, especially red and yellow varieties, are rich in vitamin C and lutein, which support eye health by reducing oxidative stress and protecting against AMD. A 100-gram serving of red bell peppers contains about 128 milligrams of vitamin C and 341 micrograms of lutein, making them a colorful and nutritious choice. Add sliced bell peppers to stir-fries, salads, or enjoy them raw with a dip for a crunchy, eye-friendly snack. Conclusion: incorporating these 10 nutrient-rich foods into your daily diet can significantly contribute to maintaining healthy eyes and preventing vision-related issues like age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and dry eyes. To make it easy, try eating a rainbow of foods daily, mixing vibrant colors like orange carrots, green kale, and red bell peppers to ensure a variety of nutrients. Pair this balanced diet with regular eye checkups, wearing sunglasses to protect against UV light, avoiding smoking, and maintaining a healthy weight to keep your vision sharp for years to come. Start adding these foods to your meals today. Your eyes will thank you. Tips for success. Meal prep. Plan meals with these foods, like a spinach and egg scramble for breakfast, salmon with roasted sweet potatoes for dinner, or a berry and yogurt parfait for a snack. Portion control. For calorie-dense foods like nuts, stick to a small handful, about 1 ounce, to balance nutrition and calories. Variety. Rotate these foods throughout the week to ensure you get a broad spectrum of nutrients like lutein, kale, bell peppers, omega-3s, fish, chia seeds, and vitamins, oranges, dairy. Consult a professional. If you have existing eye conditions or dietary restrictions, consult a nutritionist or eye care specialist to tailor your diet.